Unlike most textiles, Flotex FR is a floor covering that is easy to clean. Spot clean any spillages as quickly as possible, then simply use the scrape, scrub, rinse method. For water-soluble stains, scrape up as much as you can, rinse with hot water and brush to agitate the pile, then remove any excess liquid. Greasy stains will require the use of a detergent. As before, scrape up as much as you can, apply detergent with a small amount of hot water and scrub with a brush, ensuring that you fully rinse out the detergent with clean water. Unlike other textile floorings, Flotex FR dries quickly after wet cleaning, so areas do not need to be out of use for long durations. For more information or to request a visit from a sales representative, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems either by telephone or email.